In the heart of the Middle Ages, a woman named Eleanor of Aquitaine, a queen consort of both France and England, asserted her power and influence in a realm dominated by men. Born in 1125, Eleanor, the heiress of one of the wealthiest and most powerful duchies in Europe, found herself at the epicenter of the historical tapestry, her life intertwined with the destiny of two nations. Her first marriage, to the future King Louis VII of France, was a union of political ambition, an alliance meant to solidify the borders between two powerful kingdoms. However, the marriage was lacking in passion, and Eleanor's restless spirit yearned for more. In 1152, Eleanor's life took a dramatic turn. She was betrothed to the future King Henry II of England, a man who would become known as the founder of England's Angevin Empire. This second marriage was not merely a political union, it was a love match, a bond that would lead to a reign marked by power, intrigue, and ambition. Eleanor's influence was profound. She was not content to play the passive role traditionally expected of queens. Instead, she became a key player in the political affairs of her husband's realm. She was a shrewd diplomat, negotiating treaties and alliances, and a wise counselor, guiding her husband's decisions. However, the marriage was not without its challenges. Eleanor's children, including the future King Richard the Lionheart and King John, were the product of a tumultuous relationship. Their rivalries and conflicts would shape the course of English history for generations to come. Eleanor's influence extended beyond her immediate family. She was a patron of the arts, supporting the growth of medieval French literature and fostering the growth of the Gothic style in architecture. Her court was a center of culture and learning, attracting scholars, poets, and musicians from across Europe. In her later years, Eleanor was imprisoned by her son, King John, due to their strained relationship. Despite her confinement, Eleanor's spirit remained unbroken. She continued to exert her influence, negotiating for the release of her son, Richard, from captivity in Austria. Eleanor of Aquitaine's life serves as a testament to the power of a queen consort. Her influence, born from a combination of intelligence, ambition, and a restless spirit, resonates through the annals of history. Her story is a reminder that even in a world dominated by men, a woman's power could be undeniable. In the end, Eleanor of Aquitaine was more than just a queen consort. She was a woman who defied the expectations of her time, leaving a lasting impact on the history of Europe. Her story is a testament to the power of a woman's spirit, a beacon of hope for future generations of queens consort.